growing the company. Sabi ko, natutuwa ang case study. Okay ito Third year, okay, now you achieve your growth. So what do you do? Sustainability or succession planning? Kasi kailangan yung mga ginagawa mo, kailangan may continuation naman.
Apo. Naging interesado ako, sinabi nyo na continuous learning. Kahit matanda na kayo. At 65 years old, nag-Harvard kayo. Sa ngayon po, na-i-apply nyo lahat ng mga natutunan nyo doon sa pag-aaral.
Yes. Actually, sa Harvard, very strategic in the sense that they organize yung thought mo. No, para sa atin, it's natural thing na ganun. May explanations pala yan doon sa Harvard eh. Ganitong ginagawa mo because so on so forth. It makes clearer. So, kaya nung natapos ko yan, at when I came back, yung succession planning talaga in-implement namin. Succession planning is you have more time. Para at least sa family mo. And wherein ito ang hindi ko na sa father ko, business, may kaya, pero we don't enjoy time, spend time to go places, puro trabaho. That's why naging open mind ako, nagulat mga anak ko, uy, gagastos na. Dati hindi ayaw kong gumastos. Gagastos na. And it brings us closer. Kasi we set out fundings for our cruise every year. Ngayon ginawa ng once every 2 years. One is local, the other is international. Yung sinasabi ko lang, why wait for us to die before they can enjoy? Let's enjoy now with them. Para at least masaya, kasama rin tayo sa enjoyment.
Ano message nyo sa mga katulad nyo na similarly situated, na baka buong buhay nila, puro trabaho, ipon ng kayamanan, pag tinanong mo, hindi, para sa pamilya ko naman to eh.
Some of the friends of my son, they are in these situations now where the old man is holding on to the power, ayaw mag-release, ayaw controlling pa rin. Pag ganong controlling, yun nga, what would happen with the children? They are not being in power. So, kailan pa magiging empower na? Pag nawala, bakit kailangan hintayin mawala? Ngayon, umpisa na natin na empowering them, stepping down, let them do their job, mas magaling pa sa'yo.
Speaking of which, nabanggit nyo yung succession. Sabi nyo, ang CEO nyo ngayon, babae.
Yes.
5 anak nyo, iisang babae. Tawagin na nga natin to si Michelle.
Ikaw ang pinag-usapan dito.
Sir William, bago ko lang ipakita, bakit si Michelle? Di ba, sabi nga nila, pag Chinese, lalaki ang pinipili dyan eh. Meron kayong 4 na iba pang lalaki na anak, bakit po yung unika iha ninyo ang kinuha nyo?
Tama sinabi mo, dapat lalaki. And lalaki is, I worked with him for several years. And being the CEO, tinitingnan ko, babagay ba o hindi? And how are decisions being made? How involved are they?